Pablo Picasso. The Old Guitarist.
Good day everyone. My name is Oliver C. Kiseo from Biahitsi Utsutui. I'm here to discuss the Pablo Picasso, the Old Guitarist. The Old Guitarist is an oil painting by Pablo Picasso which was created in late 1903 and early 1904. It depicts elderly musician and haggard man with their bare clothing who is hunched over his guitar while playing in the streets in Barcelona, Spain. It is on display at the Art Institute of Chicago as part of Helen Birch Memorial Collection. Pablo Picasso is the one of the most influential artists in his era. He lived in 1881 to 1973. He have two known paintings include the Guernica and In the Waiting Woman. Pablo Picasso was struggling with poverty depression after the death of his close friend Carlos Casagemas. In February 1901, Picasso was deeply affected, stating, I started painting in the blue when I learned of Casagemas' death. Socio-political climate of early 90s in Spain. Spanish-American War, 1898, the loss of Spain, last major colonies, Cuba, Puerto Rico, and the Philippines, was a national trauma that led to the sense of crisis and desire for national renewal, self-reflection. Why is this painting a strong example of contextual art analysis? Because it's full, meaningful, and integrally linked to the personal struggles and broader social issues that influenced Pablo during the Blue period.